Hello, everyone, and welcome to Word Glow, a place where simple English helps you learn and small ideas help you grow. Today's video is very important. It is not about grammar rules. It is not about long study hours. It is not about being perfect. Today's video is about starting small. If you feel scared to learn English, if you feel tired of starting and stopping, if you think you are too slow, then please stay with me, because this message is for you. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin. Part 1. Why many learners feel stuck. Many people want to learn English. They want to speak confidently. They want a better job. They want to travel. They want respect. But many learners feel stuck. They start learning English with energy. They feel excited. They make big plans. They say, I will study 2 hours every day. I will learn 30 new words daily. I will speak perfect English. But after a few days, something happens. They feel tired. They feel confused. They feel bored. They feel pressure. Slowly, they stop learning. Then they say, English is too difficult. I am not smart. I don't have time. But listen carefully. The problem is not you. The problem is not English. The problem is starting too big. Part 2. The truth about real change. Let me tell you a simple truth. Big change does not start big. Big change starts small. Think about real life. A baby does not run on the first day. A tree does not grow in one night. A river does not start as a big river. Everything strong begins small. In the same way, strong English starts with small practice. You don't need long hours. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need expensive courses. You only need one thing, a small daily start. Even 5 minutes is enough. Part 3. Why starting small is powerful. Starting small is powerful because it removes fear. It removes pressure. It feels easy. It builds confidence. When you say, I will study for 5 minutes, your mind feels calm. Your mind says, yes, I can do this. And when your mind agrees, learning becomes natural. But when you say, I must study 2 hours, your mind feels tired before you start. So remember, easy start equals strong habit. Part 4. A simple learner story. Let me tell you a small story. There was a learner named Ali. Ali wanted to learn English, but he was very busy. He worked all day. He felt tired at night. Every day he said, I will start tomorrow. One day, Ali made a small decision. He said, I will learn English for only 5 minutes. That night he learned one word. Just one. The next day he made one sentence. The next day, he listened to one short video. After 1 week, he felt better. After 1 month, he understood simple English. After 6 months, he could speak short sentences. Ali did not change his life in one day. He changed his life one small step at a time. And you can do the same. Part 5. Consistency is more important than speed. Many learners want fast results. They ask, how can I learn English fast? How can I speak fluently in 1 month? But the real question is, how can I continue learning? Slow learning that continues is better than fast learning that stops. Even if you learn slowly, even if you forget sometimes, even if you make mistakes, if you continue, you will improve. Remember this line. Consistency beats speed. Part 6. Simple 5-minute English routine. Now I will give you a very simple routine. You can start it today. Minute 1. 1 word. Learn 1 easy word. Example, improve minute 2. 1 sentence. Make a simple sentence. I want to improve my English. Minute 3. 1 listening line. Listen to 1 short English line. Repeat it slowly. Minute 4. One speaking line. Say one sentence aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Minute 5. One positive thought. Say to yourself, I am learning. I am growing. I am proud of myself. That's all. 5 minutes. Simple, easy, powerful. Part 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think, people will laugh. My grammar is wrong. My accent is bad. But mistakes are part of learning. A child makes mistakes when learning to walk. A child makes mistakes when learning to speak. Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean you are learning. So don't fear mistakes. Fear stopping. Part 8. Motivation. Your future self. Now imagine your future self. Your future self understands English videos. Your future self speaks without fear. Your future self feels confident. This future version of you is real, and the path to that future is not difficult. It is built with small daily actions. 5 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, 5 minutes every day. This is how futures are built. Part 9. When you feel tired. Some days, you will feel tired. Some days, you will feel lazy. Some days, you will feel unmotivated. That is normal. On those days, don't quit. Just reduce. If 5 minutes feels hard, do 2 minutes. Even 1 minute is okay. Because doing something is always better than doing nothing. Part 10. Final reminder. You are not late. You are not weak. You are not stupid. You are just starting. And starting small is the smartest way to begin. Start small today. Stay consistent. And your future will change. Thank you for spending this time with Word Glow. If this video helped you feel motivated, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Start small today and change your future. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Keep glowing.